Welcome to my channel. My buddy is going to talk about PayPal and what it's used for. In case you're just new to internet marketing, he'll be able to give you a little idea about what it's about. Don't forget to go check out our video library at www.learnhowtointernetmarketing.com.
How to set up a payment system to fit the online part of your business. Business is no longer done in only one place, whether you are an online or in-person business. It's likely that you'll have to take some payments online, and it's just as likely that you'll also have to take payments in person. While it used to be that you only had one alternative, and that is to figure out how to take credit cards, that is no longer the case. Individuals that make purchases online often use PayPal as their method of purchase. So if you're going to take payments in traditional ways, you want to be ready to take PayPal also. Individuals are using PayPal for their online payments because they have more control over how much information is shared. Although it is possible for someone to access a PayPal account that doesn't belong to them, it's much more difficult than getting the credit card number of the same individual. So whether you're doing business online or in person, you'll want to make sure that you have this method of payment available, as it helps people to feel more secure in their purchases. But because there's an online system, there's a technical learning curve that you'll need to overcome to begin taking it as a payment. PayPal needs to be understood from both the customer experience as well as the vendor experience. If you understand what the customer does, you'll understand better how to set up your products and services. Also, once you understand a few technical processes, you'll be able to take payment for physical and digital goods. You'll also be able to take payments for services rendered. There's a video course that will show you these basic technical processes. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen. Hello and welcome. You're now looking at the website paypal.com. And PayPal is a platform that allows individuals to spend in their own currency for purchases, whether they be digital or physical. It also allows individuals to take payment online. In recent years, they've added on tools to manage business as well as provide funding for future projects. The platform offers multiple ways to get paid, both online and offline. It integrates with most third-party cloud-based systems. In some cases, it's possible that a business can offer financing in order to assist individuals in purchasing their goods. So in this course, we will go through the basics of setting up the platform in order to take payment for anything that you, a PayPal user, might sell. And that includes both products and services. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.